Welcome to our JavaScript practice exercise course where we're going to be building out an exciting game from scratch. Welcome to the WildWest Shootout game where you get to practice JavaScript while building out this game. All about JavaScript using the document object model in order to manipulate elements within your web page, update your HTML and CSS using JavaScript, and create a game out of it. It's a great way to get more familiar with what can be done with JavaScript. All of the source code is also included to get you started quickly. You're going to be able to learn more about JavaScript while building a fun and interactive shooting game from scratch, designed to help you practice JavaScript and understand the functionality of JavaScript. This course is taught by an instructor with many years of web development experience, ready to help you learn more about JavaScript and how to use JavaScript. So what are you waiting for? Jump right in, learn to build your own version of the game from scratch.